In this video, I'll detail how to turn on location services on iPhone. So if your location services is turned off on your iPhone, such that no application you have installed on your iPhone can access your location, and you've disabled Find My Phone, or you've disabled Find My iPhone on your iPhone because you want to disable location services completely on your device, then this video is going to show you how you can easily enable or turn on location services on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or enable location services on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on privacy and security. Then under privacy and security, locate location services. You see that the location services is turned off. Go ahead and tap that. Once you tap location services, then you should see location services disabled here. To enable the location services, turn on this, and you should see the application that have access to your location services on your iPhone. However, if Find My is disabled on your iPhone because you turn off location service, you need to go back to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, click on your iPhone settings name. Then tap Find My. Click on Find My iPhone and make sure you enable Find My iPhone. You can also turn on Send Last Location. Then you are good to go. So this is how you can easily enable or turn on location services on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.